Alright guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can play Minecraft Java with your friends. So the first method is gonna be very simple. All you have to do is click on single player here and you will choose the world which you wanna share with your friend. Once you are inside the world, you will press escape and you wanna click on open to LAN. And right here we're just gonna allow this, and you want to start the LAN world. Now once you have started the LAN world, if your friend is on the same internet connection, all you have to do is click on multiplayer, proceed, and right here they will see your LAN world and they will be able to connect to it. But that is only if you're in the same house and using the same internet connection. Now another method of how you can play with your friend is by getting a Minecraft Realms subscription. Basically how this is going to work is if you click on add realm, it's going to create your very own Minecraft server, and your friend can join by clicking on multiplayer and then proceeding here. You will get your own very own server. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.